Showcase ucampaign to speaker nawe Msilo Botela DJ. So today ngifunda select nje kwisingile entsha shaka khetha Olified iphumile ibizwa ngoAphiwe. So ukhetha umkhumbulo waduma leyo ngoma ephume ngo I think 2019 ezintabeni. So sa rate kuyona ku speaker nawe and abantu abaningi sabaplaka ngokhetha but along the years below ekhipha ama single like afana no Jezlami isikhathi ziningi nje ingoma zakhe ningadile kuyikhipha. So umjida yakhombisa ukuthi consistent. So ikhona ingoma ephumileke ise radioweni and I believe izobe ngoma ebig because even right now ayina video ayinalutho but ama numbers akhona ku-YouTube Music. I think ibhekele ko 300k. So I think iyaphusha kakhulu ino one week iphumile storylines akhona because umjida lo dume kakhulu nge-storyline. So storylines akhona like ekhuluma ngoAphiwe I think usiswakhe uthi washo nomshaya nabantwana nestaff because usiswakhe la diqome khona behamba eshiya ingane. So nje istory sakhona asikho strange because istory esijwayele ukuzizwa eSouth Africa abantu abaningi make wahamba umuntu mhlawumbe usisomdala eshiya umthwalo nabanye. So I think izobathinta abantu abaningi kakhulu. So I think izoba big le ngoma. So lethiwa ngithi react kona kuse because izoliqabela imiliyoni iyangale kwemiliyoni. So ukhetha Olified nje. So beke wakho ama rumors last year ukuthi usayine under Itachi Africa but waphumela phambili wa dismiss because since ngamazi loke emele and uyaphusha but I think abafana nokhetha abantu abafana nokhetha abayideserve mhlawumbe record label enkulu la Khabo Universal abantu abazomthatha bembekele level abadeserve yona because umjito une talent kakhulu usekubonisile ukuthi uyakwazi uzenzela izinto eyedwa indie. So I think you ready. So yeah, so speaker now nje. So angifuna nokuthi ngizingi-rate ngama numbers because abantu abaningi like ba receive ngendlela right. So I think isingile nje ibig kakhulu Aphiwe ukhetha Olified khona ku Spotify khona ku YouTube everywhere nje. So ingoma ikhona I think manje waphuma ivideo uzonakala kakhulu because hayi hlaba umkhwele ngempela. So yasekhona ku speaker sekhona ku Twitter @speaker nawe na ku Instagram usispeaker nawe, Facebook sispeaker nawe, sikhona TikTok sispeaker nawe aware.